Hi there. If you are expecting, this is a perfect checklist for you to use while you are pregnant to make sure that you check off all the things that need to be done. This is a suggested list. Not everything has to be done, but this is just a wonderful to-do list to keep track of everything. Everything organized based on your trimester. So we've got the first, second, and third trimester. And so we've got, say you want to start at the top, I'll delete this out. And then, so if you wanted to write in your own item, you could just write in, take prenatal vitamins. And once you get in the routine of that, just check it off. This is starting a skincare routine, eating healthy, making good choices, drinking more water, and so on. So it goes all the way down. And then we've got the second trimester items such as announcing your pregnancy, buying maternity clothes, taking classes, and scheduling pediatrician visits. And then third trimester are things such as getting actually ready for the baby, buying gear, getting the outfits, and packing bags and things like that. So we also have a shopping list and note section. You can print this out and use this. And this is just super easy to use. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thank you.